graph shows the number of children at the park from Monday to Friday. Okay, see, Monday there's this many children, so it's separated into girls and boys, right? So the girls will be the blank one, and the boys will be the shaded part. Okay, and then Tuesday this many, Wednesday this many, so on and so forth from Monday to Friday. Now they're asking for on which 2 days were there the same number of girls at the park. Very simple. What we need to do, let's try to figure out how many girls are there altogether. How many girls are there per day? See, on Monday, 60 boys, total 100 people, which means there are 40 girls. So we write 40. On Tuesday, 120 boys, total is 150. So what is 150 minus 120? 30. So write 30. Wednesday, 40 boys, total children 100. So for 100 minus 40, 60 boys. 60 girls, sorry. On Thursday, it will be 100 boys, 130 children. 130 minus 100 will be 30 girls. Actually, we got the answer already, right? See, 30 and 30. So on Tuesday and Thursday, there are the same number of girls at the park. Tuesday and Thursday. So let's look at option. Which one is Tuesday and Thursday? Number 4. Okay, so number 4 is the answer. Done.